Hi everyone, it's Gina. Welcome to my channel. This is an unboxing of June's limited edition kit from My Creative Scrapbook. And for those of you who have seen my unboxing videos, you already know something is wrong. It's already out. There's no paper covering the contents or anything. And that is because I have already filmed this video. And when I went to view it and start editing, the whole thing was blurry, even all the pictures I took. And if you've seen the pictures at the end of my unboxing videos, you know there are a ton of pictures, so you really could not appreciate the video or the colors or any of the contents because it was just too blurry. So I am going to do a reenactment. I won't be quite as enthusiastic because I have already seen the contents, but I do really enjoy getting the kit from My Creative Scrapbook, and I love showing it to you. So here we go. This month I did get a free gift, and it is a stencil from Hampton Art, which are these beautiful flowers. Let me show you. You could probably see it better that way. But that's a great stencil. So thank you, Pam. I appreciate it. All right, and as usual, we have our 3 packs of Prima flowers. All right, and we have actually another stencil. And this one comes with this really delicate little doily. I will take that out and show you. It's just so pretty. Look how delicate. Usually the doilies I get are from like the dollar store, and they just, you know, aren't quite that delicate and intricate. But this one is really pretty. And the stencil, it looks a lot like waves. I'm not sure. Here, maybe you can see it better that way. There you go. Looks like waves or scales, maybe. Nice stencil there. And we have also some very delicate lace. I'm going to bring this red board back so that you can see it. Look how delicate that is. It's already very vintage looking because it's not bright white. And we also have a little string of pearls. Also in the kit, we've got some stamps from Boat Bunny. And you just can't have enough flower stamps because a lot of them come with different sentiments in it as well. So that's a great way to accumulate sentiments. And our ephemera pack, which I will go through later. But this month we did get some chipboard stickers, and it seems like the past couple of months we have not gotten our standard chipboard stickers that go with the flowers and go with the papers. And this month we are back to getting the chipboard stickers. And the images are just adorable. I mean, look, little cherubs, little lambs, chicks and bunnies. It is just very, very sweet. All right, let me move everything because now I want to get to the papers. Now, first thing you can probably notice is they're a little bent. My box looked like it had gone all the way around the world before it got to me. It was unusually rough shape. Who knows what kind of adventure my little package went on before it got to me. But let's go through them because they are really, really cute. Now, these papers are from Prima Marketing, and the collection is called Magic Love, and this particular page is called Sweetness. I noticed a lot of the papers and the colors in this month's kit remind me of babies and spring. They're kind of pastel, and you'll see. But they're really, really pretty. So that's a beautiful page right there. Here we go. And this page is called Fill My Heart with Love. Isn't that sweet? But that's pretty. I could definitely use that as a background. Here we are. This one's called Love Stamps, and which is very appropriately named. And a very soft page on this side. Very kind of muted, which is right up my alley. Okay, and this page is called Carrying All My Love. And there you have baskets. So again, very appropriately named. Another very soft page on the flip side. Okay, this one's called On a Pink Cloud. Very cute with the balloons and the hearts. Just keeping that real kind of soft pastel color. And this is probably my favorite page of all. Isn't that just so cute? I love this page. Oh, of course, this is adorable. This one's called Loving You Always. Oh, isn't that sweet? Very nice. And look at that. Little cherubim hearts. Cute. Okay. It's called All My Heart, All for You. Aw. That's sweet. There we go. Very nice. And we've got 2 of these pages. Okay, and this one is called Loving You Every Day. Very pretty images here. And this is super cute, I think. These cassette tapes. Cheesy love songs. Side 1, track 2. Love songs about you. I thought that was pretty original. Okay. And we have 2 pages of that one. Okay, now I want to take out the ephemera so you can take a look. It's always good to get a better look. Now, I do take pictures of all of the contents, front and back of all of the papers, and close-ups of all of the elements. So stick around for that. That's at the end. Of course, there's a lot of images that are contained in our papers. Bring it a little closer. Lots of cherubs. And look, here's our little lamb. Little lovebirds, and she's cute. Lots of images that we saw in our papers. So to recap, we have 10 lovely papers from Prima Marketing's Magic Love Collection. We have chipboard stickers that go with that collection. We have an ephemera pack that goes with that collection. We've got this beautiful rose garden stamp from Bo Bunny. We've got this stencil with this very delicate little doily. Speaking of delicate, we have 18 inches of this very delicate lace, as well as 18 inches of this strand of pearls. And of course, we have our 3 packs of Prima flowers. Last but not least, this month's kit came with a free gift, this Hampton Art stencil. I apologize if I was lacking in a little enthusiasm, but I just wanted to be honest with you and let you know what happened and that I had seen all of the contents already. It's a lovely kit, especially if you like cherubs and baby animals and pastel colors. As usual, I always put a link to My Creative Scrapbook in the description box, just in case you're interested and want to check them out. Of course, I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I just enjoy getting their kit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me that thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Alright, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!